SOUN stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at SoundHound AI, context before I get into it, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, and all of that was documented on my YouTube channel. With SoundHound AI, a big fan for the sticker symbol, although it seems like we're kind of correcting hard. I'm so open for these longs, it's crazy. Like we are even halfway there. I mean, I'm seeing the first break. I mean, I'm starting to see the first break starting to break actually. So if I do see it pulling down, and if I get the double break, then and only then I will take things up. If not, quite frankly, would not care. So what I'm specifically waiting for is like a bigger retracement, just so I know, yeah, this was a beautiful shift, and so I can just, you know, get ahead of this gap that we have there. So this is my way of thinking. This is obviously not financial advice, taking me 4 years, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.